Have you ever wondered how, when, and should to apply neem oil to your plant? Well, in this video, we're going to get into it. You're here with Mark Batwell at PerfectGardens.com.
Well, Mark, things are starting to look pretty good now that all the plants have been sexed. Everything else is looking good. Yep, without your help, I don't know what I'd do.
So just to quickly answer your question, can this be added to neem oil foliar spray recipe? He's talking about bioweed. Quick answer is yes, although you definitely want to be aware of your parts per million. Probably start with some RO water. I definitely recommend to treat your water with drought balance. Although just a simple answer, yes. Some of the things that are going to improve this, though, is if you are adding in some type of surfactant or something that's going to cut down on the surface tension, like a yucca extract or something like that. The reason why is neem oil is an oil. What does oil do? Oil floats on water, right? Anyone that has used neem oil that isn't cut with another type of pesticide or fungicide, because a lot of times when you look at neem, it's not 100% neem. It's like a small percentage, and then there's a whole bunch of other stuff in the bottle. So when you are using neem, though, even though instructions will recommend you to use warm water, that's another thing that's going to help the oil kind of just break apart in little droplets, because when you spray it on your plants, you don't want that neem oil to just float on the surface of your water in your bottle and not really give a good surface covering. I personally would recommend, though, to only use this product into veg, maybe the first week into flowering, 2 weeks max. Thing about it, though, is that when the oils on these plants do start to get produced, neem oil and any other pesticides and fungicides, they have residues. And I know that people are going to say, well, there's half-lives and they go away, but oil is oil. Once you mix one oil with another oil, the only way to separate them is through distillation, going to specific boiling points. In past videos and in future videos, I will get into extraction on this channel. Spent a lot of time in my career on the extraction side. Although, just to keep it very simple, neem oil is an oil. It has a boiling point. And when you put neem oil on your plants after they start producing oil, it will combine together. There will be residue. It will change the taste of your plant. Neem oil is a great pesticide and a pest deterrent, especially in food, because you could wash your food off. You could cook it. You could blanch it. But to remove neem oil out of your oil after you've added neem oil to your plant into flowering, the only way to separate it is through distillation. So once again, I personally would only recommend this plant in early vegetative growth, max 2 weeks into flowering. When I use it, make sure to use a surfactant to help break up the oil. That could be dishwashing soap, yucca extract, drops of balance. Any one of those products will help thin out the neem oil and create a much more even coat on the plant. I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.